I've got a really, really heavy beauty box from Boots, and it's the self-care edit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. Boots have released another beauty box, and it's the self-care era beauty box. This costs £34. It has a value of £137 and contains 12 beauty products. It is really, really heavy. I can't actually remember what's inside. I just saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, loads of products, £34. A few products that I really liked, even though I really can't remember what is in there. I love that about unboxings though. I am an impulse purchaser, if you haven't already guessed. Oh, it just looks so lovely and jam-packed. Look. Look, £34. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, the smell, like sort of strawberries. Oh, it's a candle, it's a strawberry candle. I think it's strawberry, red raspberry. That is absolutely gorgeous. Right, before I just get into a little unboxing of my own, if you're interested in this box for yourself, then you will find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. There's no information booklet or anything, I don't think. No, just going to go through it, grabbing one item at a time. So we'll start with this candle. This is Yankee Candle, red raspberry, and it's a little mini one, look. It's a little mini one, let's push it out. Oh, how cute is that? That's so lovely, and it does really, really smell. The whole box smells. I love that smell. Oh, I love fruity smells. So it's a 37-gram candle there. And then we've got Soap and Glory, Set the Mood, Relaxing Perfect Zen Foaming Bath and Shower Oil. We're seeing a lot of bath and shower oils in beauty boxes at the moment. An expertly blended, relaxing fragrance infused with indulgent argan oil and vitamin E to leave skin hydrated and nourished. Scented with lavender and tonka bean. And there's 200 mils there. It is nice, yeah. This looks quite oily. Shower oils, hit and miss with me. In the bath, fine. But I don't have a bath at the moment. We removed our bath a couple of years ago. Oh, I miss it. I really, really miss it. But anyway, so we got shower. You have to be extra careful in a shower when you've got bath and shower oils, because you don't want to be slipping and falling on your ass. And some of them are very, very slippy. This looks like it could be one of them, but I've never tried it, so I can't say for certain. We'll see what that is like, but it smells really nice. Then we've got Sanctuary Spa. This is from their Wellness Solutions range. It's a sleep mist, scientifically proven fragrance to help you fall asleep faster and longer. And there's 100 mils there. That's what it looks like. It doesn't say what's in it. Spritz lightly over skin or pillow. Allow the mist to settle. All right then, let's rely on my amazing fragrance interpretation skills. Oh heck, I haven't got a clue. I was thinking, oh come on, let it be lavender. I can pick out lavender. It's a really nice spray. It's a smell then. It is really nice. It's a nice fine mist as well. Oh, not one to make you cough like some of these sleep sprays do. What is in them to make you cough? I don't know. It's a perfume. It doesn't smell like a sleepy time sort of scent, you know, like from rituals or... No, I don't know what it is. Why doesn't it say? It's nice anyway. And yeah, definitely one I would use. But there we go. We got a fragrance sleepy mist there. Got something for your hair. This is by Wella. Ultimate Repair with AHA and Omega-9. It's a nighttime serum. Moisturizes and helps protect against frizz and breakage for all hair types. Ooh, can you see there? It's 30 mils there. I like the sound of this. I use minoxidil. It's a hair loss solution basically, because I got androgenic alopecia, so I've been using it for I think 3 months now. So I apply it before I go to bed, and then I put like a silk turban in my head. But no, something like this would be nice, as long as it's not too heavy. I don't want it really like to serum. So how heavy like oil then? I don't like putting oils and stuff in my hair before I go to bed. Apply 1 to 3 pumps on dry or damp hair at bedtime, depending on your hair length. Distribute from length to ends. No need to rinse in the morning. Use as often as needed. So it's a leave-in hair serum then. Let's try a little bit on my hand. It's a cream. Let's grab some hair. I've already got What have I got in there? Oh, the TG Bedhead Cream in the May Look Fantastic beauty box. I've already got that in my hair. It smells really nice though. Yeah, it's not too bad. Obviously, I've just put a tiny bit on there. That might be really nice to wear overnight. We've got 2 number 7 items from what I can see, and they're both from the Radiance range. This is Vitamin C Brightening Moisturiser, suitable for all skin types. Hydrate and brighten dull skin. And there's 50 mils there. Love the packaging. With a daily boost of vitamin C, let our moisturiser illuminate your dull and tired looking skin with a burst of hydration day after day. Instantly, complexion appears brighter and skin feels nourished. And then what have we got here? We got a vitamin C glow toner. Instantly brightens complexion. Pores appear minimised. I haven't tried this before. Suitable for all skin types. And there's 200 mils there as well. Formulated with 2% vitamin C, this toner will leave an instant glow and vibrant complexion. Dull, tired and lackluster skin is instantly transformed for a radiant look. So yeah, I like that we've got a duo there. We've got Kingsley, the Elasticizer, deep conditioning treatment, 40 mils there. This is a pre-wash treatment, so you apply it to your hair. Leave it on for like 15 minutes, is it? 10 to 20 minutes, and then you rinse and then you carry on with your normal routine. I like some Kingsley products, but this one, I can't say I don't like it. I just find that it just doesn't do anything for my hair. So whenever I receive it, I always pass that on. Then we've got a full Unlock Your Hair. It's a scalp massager. I've already got one of these. And it's really good. Really nice. Can you see the prongs there? They're not as scary as you think. They do bend. I love using these when I have my minoxidil at night. I put it through my hair and then I just brush through my hair then, just so that I can evenly distribute it, well, as evenly as possible. But yeah, so I've got another one. I might give that to my daughter. Then I've got a product that I really wish I had a bath. This is Westlab Mineral Wellbeing Relax Bath Salts. Soothes and relaxes your mind, body and aching muscles with chamomile and bergamot. 100% naturally crafted mineral salts, and there's 1 kilogram here. Huge bag. I do keep these, although this is going to last me forever. I keep bath salts and some bubble baths for my feet. I do little foot baths now and again, but this will last me forever, won't it? It's a really big bag. That is so nice though. I am so gutted I haven't got a bath. Oh, I really miss it. We've got a body lotion. This is by First Aid Beauty and it's Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration with colloidal oatmeal. Safe for sensitive skins. And there's 56.7 grams there. First Aid Beauty is known to be really good if you suffer from really dry skin. Or if you've got sensitive skin as well. Yeah, that feels really nice. I'm not sure if it has a scent. No, I don't think so. I think I've got whatever. What did I have on my hand before? I can't remember now. The hair serum. I think I blended it into my hand. We're here anyway. It's left my skin feeling really nice and soft. They say your hands and your neck and your chest is one of the first things to age faster than your face. Intense hydration for dry, distressed skin. Then we've got 2 little samples left. We've got Estée Lauder. This is Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. 7 mils. So it's a little one. This is really nice as well. It is really good. I do use them all up whenever I get them. This size. It says you can use it AM or PM before moisturiser. And then we have got, this is Hismile Pap Strips. 1 application, teeth whitening. Do you know something? I'm not sure if I've ever told you, but I used to get so many comments about my teeth when I started YouTube because I've never had them whitened. I've never had veneers, bonding, composite bonding, nothing like that. And that's not because I don't want them. It's not really a priority. I used to get a load of comments saying, oh, you got really ugly teeth. They're really yellow. Do you know how to brush your teeth? And all this. And then I'd get some people saying, oh, it's nice to see someone actually that has got natural teeth. And I'm like, oh, so I'm really quite self-conscious, especially if I do makeup videos. I'm really self-conscious showing my teeth. I had 2 baby teeth that fell out a couple of years ago. Funny enough, they didn't fall out when I was flipping younger, when I could have had a brace. But no, they fell out a few years ago, and I've got Maryland bridges. So if I had whitening, then it would be all different colours. So I haven't bothered. But it is something I'd love done. If I ever won the lottery, then I would definitely get my teeth done. So yeah, pap strips. I will use it. See if I can get a little bit of a whiteness going on. If you've tried these, let me know what you think of them. Yeah. And there you go. Those are all the products in my self-care era beauty box from Boots. It costs £34. It has a value of 137 and it contains 12 beauty products. I'd love to know what you think. I think it's really nice. I love the fact that Boots do boxes like this. They just have a lot of random products. It's a little bit different than what you'd see like Look Fantastic or Glossy Box or OK Beauty or Rocker Box, for instance. A little bit different, isn't it? Because it's an actual store. Although saying that, Look Fantastic is an actual store as well. We've just got some number 7. We've got a Yankee Candle, Soap and Glory, Sanctuary Spa, you know, Wella. The only thing that we see in other types of beauty boxes is Philip Kingsley and First Aid Beauty. Everything else, not really. I like that about Boots, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to get this box for yourself, or are you thinking, nah, not this time? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.